Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Akhil Kumar. I want to tell about how the Python was started. First of all, we have to learn about history of Python. In history of Python, Python programming language foundation standalone in the year 1980. It was founded in the year 1980 and it was implemented in the year started in the year 1989, and programming language officially released in the year 1919 February, and it was developed by Rosum and developed at CWI Institute in Netherlands. ABC programming language is the procedure of Python programming language. It has versions of Python. Contains two versions. They are Python 2.x, where x means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 outdated versions, and Python 3.x is available versions at today up to 2021. Here their x means 1, 2, 3 up to 10. 3.10 also available, but we are using only 3.9 in this latest version. But 3.9 does not contain backward compatibility with Python 2.x. It means you don't have any backward compatibility with Python 2.x, but 2.x is backward compatibility, but 3.x does not have backward compatibility. To download Python 3.x, we have www.python.org. I also showing this. First we have to open Chrome browser and see this here about downloads, documentation, community, success stories, news, events. You have to go to downloads. Available version is 3.9 also there. 3.10 is latest version. We download. I already download 3.9 only. I will show. In desktop, Python. See, 3.9 is available. I also run. Python underscore version. Here SION. Okay. Okay then. Python software and applications are maintained by a non-commercial organization called Python Software Foundation (PSF). And history of Python and variations and displaying real-time applications of Python.txt. And next one is Python programming inspired from 4 languages. They are fundamental programming from C, functional programming from C, object-oriented programming from C++, CPP. It means PPP, and procedure programming. This means scripting programs for and modular programming from Modulo 3. And real-time applications of Python. With Python programming, we can develop 22 plus real-time applications, web application development, Java, Servlets, JSP, C#, .NET, ASP.NET, Python, Django, Flash, Bottle, etc. And gaming application development, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, and desktop GUI, graphic user interface applications, and image processing applications, test programming applications, and business applications, and audio and video based applications, and web scraping applications, and data visualization, complex math calculations, and scientific applications, etc. And in this Python, there are literals in Python. Data presentation in Python are literals in Python. Literals are nothing but values used for giving inputs to the program. Basically, we have 4 types of literals. They are integer literals, float literals, string literals, boolean literals. In general, to represent the store, any type of literals or data. Variables are identifiers in Python. All types of literals are stored in main memory. It is stored in main memory in created memory space. To process the value stored in main memory, as programmer, we must give distinct names makes us to identify the values, hence they are called identifiers. All identifiers are values are changing. Identifier values are changing, varying during the program execution, hence identifier called variables. It means values are changing in identifiers or during the program execution, hence it is called as variables. In Python, all types of literals or values are stored in main memory in the form of variables only. Identifiers and all type of variables and identifiers are called as objects. Definition of variable: a variable is an identifier whose values are changing during execution of program. Next one, what are the what are the rules for using variables in Python? Python programming inspired from real-time applications of python.txt, real-time application history of Python programming. Rules for using variables in Python. To use the variables in Python programming, we must follow the rules. They are: the variable name is a combination of alphabets, lower and upper case, digitals and special symbol underscore. The variable names must start from either with an alphabet or underscore. Examples are 112abc equal to 10 is invalid because the valid reason is abc equal to 123 is valid, and minus abc equal to 20 is invalid, and underscore abc equal to 34 is valid, and underscore 2.3 is voted valid, etc. With variable names, special symbols are not allowed expected.